Have you ever wondered if there are other planets like Earth? Meet Proxima Centauri B. Nestled within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun, this intriguing exoplanet holds a significant place in our quest for extraterrestrial life. Proxima Centauri B is a mere 4.24 light-years away from us. In cosmic terms, that's like popping over to a neighbor's house. It's so close, in fact, that future interstellar missions could potentially reach this world within our lifetime. But what makes Proxima Centauri B so special? Well, its location within the habitable zone of its parent star is a promising start. This region, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone, is just the right distance from a star where conditions could allow for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. And as we all know, where there's water, there could be life. Proxima Centauri B, about 1.3 times the size of Earth, orbits its star every 11.2 Earth days. Despite this swift orbit, the exoplanet receives about 2/3 the amount of energy from its star that Earth gets from the Sun. This suggests that if the planet has an atmosphere like Earth's, its surface could be warm enough to keep water liquid. Yet the proximity to its star also poses challenges. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, known for their frequent flares and high-energy radiation. This could strip away a planet's atmosphere over time, making it less hospitable for life as we know it. Although we're still in the early stages of understanding this distant world, Proxima Centauri B represents a glimmer of hope in our search for life beyond Earth. As our technology advances and our knowledge expands, who knows what secrets this close cosmic neighbor could reveal? Could Proxima Centauri B be the next Earth? Only time will tell. From 1 star to 7, the TRAPPIST-1 system invites us to a cosmic dance. A mere 40 light-years away, tucked into the constellation of Aquarius, lies a planetary system that has captured the imaginations of both astronomers and dreamers alike. The TRAPPIST-1 system, named after the transiting planets and planetesimals small telescope in Chile that discovered it, is a spectacle of celestial proportions. This cosmic spectacle is home to 7 Earth-sized planets, each with the potential to harbor life. Imagine 7 siblings, each with their own unique characteristics and quirks, but all huddled together around a common hearth. The ultra-cool dwarf star, TRAPPIST-1. These planets, labeled from B to H, orbit so close to their mother star that they are tidally locked, meaning one side perpetually faces the star, while the other rests in eternal darkness. The discovery of the TRAPPIST-1 system is significant, not just because of the number of planets it hosts, but also due to their Earth-like sizes and the potential for liquid water to exist. The 3 planets in the habitable zone, TRAPPIST-1e, F, and G, are of particular interest. They are located at just the right distance from their star, where it's not too hot and not too cold for water to exist in a liquid state, often referred to as the Goldilocks zone. This discovery has sparked a flurry of research and speculation. Could there be life on these planets? What would it look like? How would it evolve in such an environment? These questions fuel our curiosity and drive the search for extraterrestrial life. As we continue to explore and understand our universe, the TRAPPIST-1 system stands as a reminder of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our own blue planet. It's a testament to the idea that we may not be alone in this vast cosmos. After all, in the grand cosmic dance of the universe, there are 7 stages set by the TRAPPIST-1 system, each with the potential to host the dance of life. In the TRAPPIST-1 system, we are not alone. There are 7 possibilities. Let's journey to Kepler 442 b, an exoplanet that orbits a sun-like star. Picture this, a world located over 1,100 light-years from Earth, in the constellation Lyra. This is Kepler 442 b, an exoplanet with a radius roughly 1 1/3 times that of Earth, making it a so-called super-Earth. But what makes this celestial body particularly intriguing is its potential habitability. Kepler 442 b orbits within the habitable zone of its star, Kepler 442. This is the region around a star where conditions may be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. And where there's water, there's the possibility of life as we know it. But the habitable zone isn't the only factor to consider. The planet's size and composition also play a significant role in its potential to support life. Kepler 442 b is estimated to be rocky, much like our home planet, which further increases the chances of it being able to sustain life. The exoplanet star, Kepler 442, is classed as a K-type star, slightly cooler and smaller than our Sun. But don't be fooled by this. K-type stars have a longer lifespan than our Sun, providing a stable environment for life to potentially evolve over billions of years. Kepler 442 B's year, or the time it takes to orbit its star, is only slightly longer than our own, at around 112 Earth days. This puts it in a sweet spot, receiving about 2/3 of the light that Earth receives from the Sun, enough to potentially allow for a temperate climate. However, it's important to remember that these are educated guesses. Until we have the technology to directly observe and study these distant worlds, we can't say with certainty whether Kepler 442b is indeed another Earth. Kepler 442b, another Earth? The possibilities are endless. Now let's travel to Gliese 667 cc, a planet in the habitable zone of its host star. Gliese 667 cc is a fascinating exoplanet that orbits within the habitable zone of its host star, Gliese 667c. This means that it lies within the perfect distance from its star to potentially support life as we know it, with temperatures that could allow for liquid water on its surface. This intriguing world is about 4.5 times the mass of Earth, making it a so-called super-Earth. It receives about 90% of the light that Earth does, which could mean it's not too hot and not too cold, but just right for life. The discovery of Gliese 667 cc has significant implications for our understanding of the universe. It suggests that habitable planets could be more common than we once thought, especially around low-mass stars like Gliese 667c. The possibility of life on Gliese 667 cc is still speculative. We've yet to develop the technology to probe this distant world in detail. Yet the mere existence of such a planet in the habitable zone of its star fuels our imagination and our desire to explore the cosmos. So, while we continue to study and learn about the vast universe, we can't help but wonder about what secrets Gliese 667 cc might hold. Could this distant world be a future home for humanity? Only time will tell. Gliese 667 cc, a potential new home in the cosmos. Finally, meet LHS 1140b, a super-Earth exoplanet in a habitable zone. This celestial body is situated roughly 41 light-years away from us, comfortably nestled within the constellation of Cetus. LHS 1140b orbits a quiet, mid-sized red dwarf star, which makes it an exciting prospect for scientists studying potential life-bearing planets. Now, what makes LHS 1140b so special? This exoplanet is categorized as a super-Earth, a term we use to describe planets with a mass higher than Earth's, but significantly less than that of larger planets like Uranus or Neptune. LHS 1140b is about 6.5 times the mass of Earth, making it a heavyweight in the super-Earth category. Its location is equally intriguing. LHS 1140b resides in what we call the habitable zone, or Goldilocks zone. This is the region around a star where conditions might be just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet, an essential ingredient for life as we know it. The stability of its red dwarf star, combined with LHS 1140b's size and location, make it a prime candidate for further research into the possibility of life beyond our own planet. It might be a long shot, but who knows what secrets this super-Earth holds. LHS 1140b, a super-Earth with super possibilities.